What's up, VIPs? We are about to spray foam the Mclaren 720S. Give it a nice bath prior to the paint protection film. Look at this. Customer wanted a white one. He got the orange, and now we got the white. 2020 720S. Getting the foam bath. We already did a two-stage paint correction on this prior to installing the PPF, and then we will be installing the ceramic coating on it. So right now we're doing the foam bath. Once this is done, clean it up, bring it inside, and start the paint protection film. This way we can protect the whole body of the vehicle from rock chips and any road debris, or when it's at any car shows, the client will be able to be worry-free when people are around the vehicle. Come on by, check us out. We're at 389 North US Highway 1792 over here in Longwood, Florida. See you guys soon.